July the 7th, 2024 will be the first day of oppression. Muharram gives us the message of patience and tolerance, standing firm in the face of oppression and facing difficulties for truth. After the martyrdom of Imam Hussain a.s., this month is a month of mourning for the Shias, and since that time, Imam Masoomin a.s. and the Shias used to organize mourning in this month. For example, Imam Reza a.s. says, "As soon as the month of Muharram began, no one would see my father smiling, and until the day of Ashura, his face would be dominated by sadness and worry, and the day of Ashura would be trouble for you. And there was a day of crying. And he used to say, today is the day on which Hussain a.s. was martyred." 2. Mirza Jawad Maliki Tabrizi writes in his book Al-Murqabat, "It is better for those who love the family of the Prophet a.s. that this, on the first 10 days of the month, let them observe the signs of worry and sadness on the outside and inside, and refrain from some lawful pleasures, especially on the 9th and 10th of Muharram, and be in the same condition as it is after the death of a loved one. And for the first 10 days of this month, remember your Imam by reading Ziarat Ashura every day."